Welcome back to Strong's Garage. We got a mail day.
Mail day.
All in the mail.
Yeah.
All in the mail.
Yeah.
We went to the post office. What do we find?
Yeah.
Bills. But not that day, did we?
Yeah, no.
2 different times.
Yeah, and I'd love to say that we found the parcel in there, but we were issued a small cubby hole, so
Yeah,
it's a small slip of paper that we can trade and got our parcel.
Yeah, we traded. She said, "Hey, this is for you."
Yeah.
And we were very excited. So
Yeah.
go ahead, Jim.
I'll
Grab
run
that
the
box
two.
there. Let's start with this one here.
Oh yeah. So we've been pre-opened for our safety, just yeah. So, but yeah, thank you, Peter Crowell
From Alabama.
out in Alabama. Yeah,
Wow.
he sent us this lovely box here, and it's sweet. He typed up this lovely letter here. Hello, Matt and Jim. And then back in the 60s, my dad restored a 1919 Model T. His T's were the car of his youth. A lot of fun. And he found a motor that was used on a weed cutter on a lake in Wisconsin. And he goes on to say it had a counterweighted crankshaft, aluminum pistons,
Wow.
pressure oiling.
That's crazy
And so-
because a Model T has a less than weighted crankshaft.
Yeah.
As some of you might know, the counterweights are kind of help the rotating mass, but this is more or less just a bent piece of steel. And aluminum pistons, that's the thing, because Model Ts have cast iron pistons.
Yeah, right?
Must have been a real revver.
Oh, it must have been. Yeah.
Real hot
A
rod.
screamer, yeah. And a real hot rod. That T could really go, and we believe him. But
Well, thanks for enjoying the channel. And he sent a beautiful picture of his dad behind the wheel of a T from 1929.
yeah.
And it's
Cool.
freaking
Yeah,
really
yeah, a
cool.
photo of him and his dad and his posse.
You
So.
dang tootin'.
Yeah.
Okay, what do we got here,
What
Jim?
do we got here? Well, we've got, first and foremost, the Ford dealer story. This
Wow.
is very cool. 1953. So 1903 to 1953.
The first 50 years.
What we could put together here is, it's a happy and eventful account of a fabulous half century and the men who helped put America on wheels. And so,
There's some beautiful pictures in this.
yeah,
Really
it's
quick clip.
super cool. Like this from the 20s here at the car shows, lots of like old dealership photos.
Yeah, we like that
And,
stuff for sure.
Yeah, just
Have
super
to give that a
neat.
good read.
Yeah, so we're just pleased as punch to
Yeah,
have
that's
this
really
in
kind,
here.
Peter. And then we got this. These are always a lot of fun. This is
Yeah.
a nice old one. This is Hemmings Motor News from 1972, 50 years ago.
Yeah,
And we did peruse this quickly. It's funny. It's got the old cars are listed Ford for sale and non-Ford.
non-Ford cars.
So
Yeah,
it's kind of funny. So if you just look through though, just to give you an idea, like Jim, I told him they got this Model A here. Let's see here. We're looking. Oh here,
Yeah.
1930 Model A Deluxe Roadster. New top, side curtains, wind wings, excellent body. Last driven in 1949. Not that long ago.
no,
Especially by 1972 standards. And runs and drives perfectly. Asking $2,200.
wow.
$85. Isn't that something? And there's some really neat stuff in here. Oh, that's cool. All these old time ads.
Yeah,
Portland Swap Meet, the 8th annual. That's pretty neat.
yeah.
So there's another coupe for you, Jim. Professionally restored, ready to go to work. $2,500.
Wow.
I don't know what you're thinking.
Yeah,
Look at this.
no,
The double-ended Model T, made by Saucony Oil Company to promote change to mobile. Needs cosmetic restoration interior, one-of-a-kind showstopper, 1875. Bet you that'd be worth a few bucks today.
Wow.
But if we go to the non-Ford section, for those of you that know, Jim's been piecing together a pretty neat Continental Mark II, which they're pretty rare.
Yeah, which
But-
not a Ford.
A
Continental.
non-Ford, yeah, a non-Ford, Ford-related.
Yeah.
But I told him to scrap that idea and just go buy this one because this Continental Mark II 56, same year as Jim's.
Yeah.
It says excellent inside and out, motor runs perfect. I have driven this car on several 1 to 2,000 mile trips with no hesitation. Only 3,000 were made in 56 and 7 and they sold for 10 grand a piece. They are a pretty
Yeah. Oh,
elite
yeah.
automobile.
And this was only a 15-year-old car or so at the time, so
That's
pretty
right.
neat that it had that collectability.
It
yeah.
did. And if you want to fly in, I will deduct the fare one way for one person. And with the purchase price of $3,500 less the fare. We should phone old E.H. Patet from
Oh, yeah.
Eureka, California.
Eureka,
See if we still
California.
got it.
Wow. Because, yeah, I drove down to get mine. I wasn't reimbursed anything for gas.
How many mile trips you gone on?
Yeah, I've gone on a couple 1 to 2 mile trips and made it back home. But, yeah, no.
Isn't that
Very
something,
neat.
eh?
Yeah.
There are some really neat cars in here. This is really
Yeah.
these are fun to go through. We'll go through these. But yeah, and then Then we also got a bunch of what's this?
Is that
Packard.
Packard V12.
Dietrich.
Yeah.
But
That's good.
they spelled Dietrich wrong. That's funny. It's a V12 though, so it's a 37 Packard 12 Dietrich Cabriolet, a convertible sedan, I guess. $6,000. What do you think that car worth today?
Man. And this must be old timer because he says letters only.
Yeah.
No phone calls.
No phone calls, please. This is really neat.
The Ford instruction book here, and then these cool, all these neat old magazines.
Yeah,
like
these are really cool.
68.
Yeah, the Model T Times from November, December 1968. And these are cool because there's really a lot of neat old pictures from like the T era, like the actual T era, as well as the 60s.
Oh yeah.
Which, what's neat about these old magazines, like the internet's fine, but these old magazines, like, that's the only time these pictures have ever been published, is in these books. So it's cool to see pictures, these wonderful old pictures, people with their restored cars and their family photos, like Peter sent with his dad there. Those are priceless.
Oh,
there's
wonderful.
Santa sleeping at the switch.
Yeah, sleep on the job.
Yeah.
We've got the Ford
Does this
carburetor.
one have that guy? Yeah, this here guy. Now this is cool.
Yes.
We
this
did
is,
read
we
this
took a peruse
one.
of that one. Yeah.
So we've got, this is from the year 2000, so 22 years ago. Wow. Judas. Madman Martinez.
It's
The
over
feller,
story, yeah.
46. This is really neat. Okay, I'll just read you a small excerpt from this. So Madman Martinez. So every Sunday morning, rain or shine, a battered old Model T truck may be found on the back roads of Lower San Diego County, where Madman Martinez has set up business. His mobile shop, he dispenses used parts, lamps, and goodies he retrieves from backyards and garages in the Baja, California. Now, his entrance in the hobby was not by hobby, was it?
Yes.
It says he has driven this truck 250,000 miles in connection with his business, which was hauling flour to a taco factory. It's pretty neat,
Oh, it's fantastic, yeah.
It said his father died in the little-known tequila uprising of 1928, and he became the heir of a 1909 2-liter touring car. The early Model Ts have a little bit different handle system, but it is so cool to read about this truck that he has rode and drove and sells parts.
Yeah.
And there's neat pictures of him, and it's funny. And
Yeah.
It's really cool. But 250,000 miles in a Model T truck hauling flour
man,
to a taco factory.
Yeah.
That is something else. Anyways, these are really cool. So thanks, Peter, for these. These are a lot of fun. Maybe we'll put up pictures now and then of stuff we find here because it is cool and people do like it. So
Yeah.
Thanks again, Peter.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go with another round of what's in the mailbag.
Yeah, right?
This one comes all the way from Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Tony Malillo. Malillo?
Yeah, something like that.
Thanks, Tony. Let's have a look here. Nice box.
Oh yeah, we'll have a safe padded bag in there.
Bubble bag. And we get a little letter here.
There, yeah.
It says, hey guys, I really enjoy the channel. Look forward to each new episode. You got it, Tony? And
Yeah,
everybody
yeah.
else that watches every episode.
Yeah, thank
That's,
you guys so much.
that's nice. And what do we got in here, Jim?
Oh, it looks like we've got
Ooh,
a beautiful
mixed
card.
bag.
Yeah, a mixed bag if I ever seen one.
Okay. What do we got here? A postcard.
Oh, that's lovely.
Look at that. It's got a
Embossed.
gold embossing. I mean, this thing is like
It's thick.
3/16 of an inch thick.
Any bigger, you drag it around the block.
That's what it says here. Okay, let's read what it said. There's no date. But anyways, it says, hope you are all well. How would you like to take a ride in this? Many thanks for the pretty postals. Affectionately, L.U.B. That is very kind. That is very cool. Well, that's a neat piece. That'll go on display. There you go.
Oh yeah.
What do you got here, Jim?
Hey.
The
I
new
think it goes
four-wheel
pretty well
brakes.
with this here.
Buick, 1924.
Brakes.
There they go. Yeah, this would go on your fender if you had four-wheel brakes.
Yeah, let the old band breakers behind
So
you.
by
know.
1924, that was a new thing. Look at this. Isn't that
Super
cool,
cool.
eh?
Ignition cables. Look at that.
Oh my
in there,
goodness.
yeah.
It's like 3D.
Oh, and this is actually 3D. It's beautifully embossed paper.
Isn't it? It feels
Yeah.
3D. Oh, everything feels real.
Yeah, right?
What do we got here? Look through this side to enjoy the 10 magic minutes in the Chrysler Motors Theater.
Oh.
Use this Polaroid viewer as you would a pair of eyeglasses.
Oh, certainly.
Look through it while the picture, In Tune with Tomorrow, is on the screen, and you'll get the greatest thrill in movies. Look at this.
Boy,
Everybody said
wild
3D
ride,
was a
eh?
new thing, huh?
Yeah.
Looks like about what, 1939?
Something like that. Look at that.
Wow, that is
Yeah.
sweet.
Looks stylish too.
It does.
Yeah.
Look at there, see?
Oh man.
That's really cool.
And we've got here lubrication of the motor car. This is an old gal here.
Oh, neat.
Copyright 1916.
1916.
In New York. Wow. Lubrication of the motor car. Perhaps the fact that not one motorist in 10 has previous experience in the care of machinery counts for the rapid destruction of many cars.
Isn't that the truth?
As true today as it was back then, unfortunately.
Absolutely.
So no, this is
Look at some more photos.
super interesting.
Look at these old photos, eh?
Wow.
1928, 1938, or 1929.
What was a motley crew
Yeah,
there?
they're drinking booze. That's at the height of Prohibition, is it not? Some bad dudes.
Yeah.
Cool. These will go up with our old pictures over there.
Yeah.
What's this here?
Oh, pull her out, take a peek.
The largest automobile supply store in New England. Over 9,000 feet of floor space.
Holy.
The rim house.
Oh, the rim house, of course.
A wrong rim, a wrong bolt, a wrong wedge may cost the life of yourself or your family.
Oh boy.
Avoid this by buying your rims and parts from the original Rim House. Yeah, that's something. John and Arthur, distributors for New England. Everything for the automobile. That deserves to be framed, eh?
That is beautiful, yeah. What a fantastic piece.
That'll get framed. We'll put that up here for sure. We've got plenty of room for literature like this. I just love this old stuff, eh?
Oh, it's just too neat, yeah.
We've got the Fisk tire brochure. Time to retire. Propaganda.
Guy hitting the
Modern
skids,
motoring
yeah.
demands safer tires.
There we go.
Really cool, eh? Stops faster, stops in a straight line, positive skid control.
Oh man, yeah.
I call BS.
Wonderful.
Wow, this is
These
too
are
much.
being sent to us, yeah. Oh, Ford price list of parts here for the Model T.
Service help for the Studebaker owner.
Hey, there we go. They need all the help they can get. sometimes.
1916.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what book you got there?
Wiring diagrams for popular makes of cars from 1927.
Oh, perfect.
This is actually handy for sure.
Yeah, that's actually something a guy might use quite a bit.
Well, see, I was always wondering here, this Stutz Series BB 1928 diagram. Now we know.
Ah, yes.
Wow, this is really cool.
Holy hops and this and
Well, this
Pierce arrow,
this actually
yeah.
handy right here. Well, it goes all the way back to what? 1923?
to the old one wire.
Yeah, one wire unit. No wire.
Yeah.
Acetylene.
Oh, wow.
1922, 19... This is real neat.
Yeah.
Well, Tony, these are really wonderful. We will put these out. What else is there? There's more.
Oh, there's more, yeah.
But wait, there's more.
Yes.
Tony.
Here we go. Be a good merchandiser. The branch service bulletins from the Ford Motor Company.
Oh, neat.
This was published every 10 days for information for the dealer service departments. Volume 1, number 2.
1925.
1925, yeah.
Wow.
Wow, and so this is...
Oh, there's quite a
this
few.
is quite a few.
volumes.
5, 16, it gets right up to the...
Oh,
yeah.
what's this?
Oh, underneath there's a big pad.
A big pad. Dealer's monthly parts stock order. Prices subject to revision. From 1925 as well. To the address in Pennsylvania. Shipped via L&N Railroad.
Wow, that must be the same dealer, yeah?
I would think, eh?
Yeah. Isn't that ever neat?
Well, the inventory and amount sold in the past 30 days must be showed on all pages 1, 2, 3, 5, whatever ordered. Yeah, look at some of this stuff here. Okay, what's this pretty popular? Hubcaps. Present inventory is 17. Amount sold in the last 30 days, 15.
Holy.
He's
yeah.
ordering another 25.
Yeah.
Ready to go. Does he have a price here? $1.25 each.
$1.25, yeah.
Oh, this is real neat. Oh, look at all this.
Wow,
Everything.
windshield assembly, that's the whole car, yeah. Sedan.
Cool.
Windows, hub brakes.
Well, he's got it all filled out.
Yeah. Oh, is that ever neat?
Oh, that's
Wow.
cool. I've never
It's
seen
funny
that
because
before.
how much of this would have existed back then? Like every month they'd be getting one, but
every
how
month, and every 10
month they
days
throw
you
it
get
out,
this
right?
and throw it away. Why would you need this?
Yeah.
Every Ford dealer should be a good merchandiser. That's real
Holy.
cool.
But yeah.
Tractor crankshaft. Within 3 months, crankshafts developing defect may be replaced gratis.
Ah, yes.
This is really
Wow.
cool. Well, I can't even. We can go over this.
Yeah.
for 10
This
years.
is fantastic.
We might do
Yeah.
little segments on some of this stuff because it's pretty. Maybe we'll take a few pictures and
Yeah, right.
poke it in there, but,
Thanks so much, Tony. Like this is
Everybody,
fabulous. And,
you
yeah,
know, this
everybody, and yeah, we
not-
didn't expect any.
none of
this,
it's
and
expected, but it's sure appreciated.
fantastic.
And stuff like this, it just when you get it here, we give it a good home. We use a lot of this stuff, boy. This
On day-to-day basis, yeah.
But this is very, very kind. Thank you so much. And well, what's in the bag?
Yeah, exactly.
That's the conclusion of what's in the bag for
There
today.
we go in the mailbox. So.
Thanks for watching.